Ironic to think the natural resource pulling them to the island will be the agent of their demise. The mechanism is beautiful in its simplicity. I had originally been contemplating a more elaborate strategy, but then an old mnemonic from my childhood floated into my mind. Something my secondary school chemistry teacher would recite for us. Forgive me for the bastardized translation. Not so nearly as poetic as the original. Sodium and water. What a fierce little pairing. Strongly exothermic. They come together in a firing. Electrons transfer in the water, releasing heat and light, hydrogen and sodium hydroxide, waterside. Gaseous byproducts emitted in a plume. So be careful while you work, or else you'll end up with a boom.
Buoys. They're bombs. Methane bombs, I think. Some kind of drone impact. There's a minefield.
Cut the engine and drop anchor immediately. Secure all units below deck.
Yes, ma'am. Another one. Look out!
Whatever orders you've been given, you gotta forget them. I need you to help, okay? Did they give you the keys to our hangar? Please, come back! Herschel, I need you to listen to me. There's a broken pipe above you. If you stand up, your handcuffs can reach the sharp part of it. Honey, please, I need you to listen to me because we've got to get off this boat right now. We don't have a lot of time.
I fucked it all up.
No. I'm so sorry for what I said to you earlier. None of this is your fault. You should have. What did you do? Thank you. Yours. Listen to me. I need you to follow me. Please. You came out here to help me, right? That's what I need you to do. I know you can do it.
If we stay anchored, I think it should buy us some time.
She didn't get this one.
I got it. She's my mom. Go find whoever you can and bring me. What is that? Governor Bird, watch out! Mom! Give me your hand!
Get the other cleat.
All right, go ahead, fire. Fire! Fire! You get it? Okay. Fire. Fire!